our plans are being empowered. And just to share with you, in 2022, we had approved more than 140 projects that helped us with the total reduction we made of 11%.
And that is the approach we are following in each plant, in each regions, to reduce consequently the CO2 footprints in manufacturing. Hello, Juliana, how are you? And what about your projects concerning the decarbonization we started in 22?
Hello, Marie-Pierre. Good to talk to you again. I'm fully motivated to see the way we are guiding the Dare strategy. And we're not talking about Dare strategy. One word came to my mind, and this word is efficiency. So Stellantis production way is guiding, and I'm supporting the plans to reduce our losses and improve the efficiency of consumption. So level 1 means energy consumption reduction. This is our first approach. And how about you and your team and the activities you are leading?
Key is the collaboration with all the plants in all the region to define all the green energy technologies to support our plants to drive forward the decarbonization program. One of the main enablers is our standard toolbox based on 10 green energy technologies and more than 70 use cases we are sharing with all the plants to boost the execution.
Just to give you some hints regarding energy consumption reduction, we are improving the way we operate our equipment in our plants. Also using, for example, artificial intelligence to make sure that we have the right parameters inside our equipments, and also focusing consumption in production time. This is really important to support this path. And how about you and your path?
We are following a stepwise approach. First, to maximize the on-site green electricity generation in the plant. For example, in Zaragoza, they are installing a big photovoltaic park representing 34 football fields. It's huge. And to cover, at the end, more than 40% of the annual electricity consumption. It's a big plant of 100 jobs per hour. Then they have also good wind speed conditions. So they will, in a second step, build up windmills. And then in parallel, they start to electrify the paint shop to reduce the consumption of the natural gas. And then in the next step, to substitute the natural gas with a local opportunity of biogas and biomethane. And that is the approach we are following in each plant, in each regions, to reduce consequently the CO2 footprints in manufacturing.
So I had the opportunity to visit nearly all the plants we have, and it's obvious for me that we have a clear goal as we deploy our therefore the strategy. Our plans are being empowered. And just to share with you, in 2022, we had approved more than 140 projects that helped us with the total reduction we made of 11%. And that means 400,000 tons of CO2 reduction. This is huge.
Yeah.
And this year, we have more than 85 projects approved that will result in additionally 70,000 tons of CO2 and more ideas out there. So we are giving plants autonomy. Our plant managers, as you just mentioned, are starting to lead us on this path. Plant employees by raising proactive ideas. What motivates you and your team?
What is important to my team is a great solidarity and teamwork with the focus on a fast execution to bring value add to our company. We have today more than 300 projects of green energy supply and technologies. And that is what my team makes so proud, to be able to work in such a great global network to contribute to mitigate the climate changes.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more with you. My team is really motivated, and I'm also motivated by the fact that as we are a global company with different regions, different experiences, but we are learning something new together. So this is really exciting. And also by the fact that our company has clear goals and has understood that the only way to succeed is as we empower everyone and as we learn fast from each other.
Yes, so then let's win this extraordinary race of decarbonization together.
Absolutely.